The Jet 20-inch floor drill press also allows you to tilt the table 90 degrees to accommodate drilling into the end of a piece. This can be helpful when you have a longer workpiece and need to drill a hole in one or both of the ends. Before you begin drilling, be sure that your workpiece is securely attached to the table in a vertical position. Use the table handle to adjust the appropriate depth. Check that your belt speed is at the proper setting for the material you're drilling. Once your belts have been set, you can begin drilling your hole. Learn more about the Jet 20-inch floor drill press on our website. And don't forget that your drill press comes with our Red Assurance Guarantee. If you need any service or repair, one of our 750 authorized service centers located in all 50 states can assist you. Contact our support team today to find a service center near you.